Hello, my friends. I am very excited to share these products with you today because about a year, 18 months ago, 2 years ago now, we released some fun birthday cats and people went wild for them. But I had a lot of dog lovers, and now that I even have a new puppy, a lot of dog lovers say, yeah, love the cats, but need a dog. And I said, okay, no problem. So here we go. We now have birthday dogs. Yay! Of course, there are dies that match. There are 6 dies in the set that match. Now let's look at this stamp set closer. We have the cute little one opening the fun little present with his mouth wide open. He's looking in there. Then we have the cute little one holding an air horn and some fun balloons. Then we have this cute little guy right here, and he is just looking at that cupcake. Yeah. Happy birthday. Puppy kisses and cupcake wishes. Positively the best day ever. Have a possum birthday. Potty time. And just for you. Yes, my loves, of course, there are dies that match. Now, along the lines of our little puppies, because again, new puppy owner here, we have a doghouse folded. Now, you know how I always talk about, yes, I use these products. I design them, but I use them. Well, let me tell you a little secret about this one. Well, when I designed this one, I originally had the bone cut out automatically right here. And I also had the door opened, but it didn't have this extra die. There's an extra die in here you can't see. And I didn't have 2 bones. And I got the prototypes and I played with them and I had fun with them. But I'm like, ooh, sometimes I might not want that bone there. What if I want to put a name there? Or what if I want to do something else there? So I changed it. Now you can put it in anywhere you want, right? Also, I added this extra little door if you wanted to add a shadow. So I'm always trying to think, every time I get one of the prototypes, I'm always trying to think, how can I make this better? Does it need to be made better? What could I do? And that's what I did with this one. And I always like to give you the tricks behind the scene. Now, last but not least in this video, is more grass. Hold your jokes. This kind of grass. We needed new grass. We have a great die that there's grass somewhere on the website. These are different. These are new. These have background dies, and sometimes you just need more grass, right? Don't laugh. Now, I'm going to show you a card that incorporates all of these brand new items. So we have our puppy dogs here. We have our dies that cut them out. We have our fun little doghouse in the background. And of course, you need grass when you have a puppy or dog, right? Look at how gorgeous that is. Potty time, happy birthday. Using one of our trees, that's the 5x7 tree cut down just a little tiny bit. Have a possum birthday. But this card just kind of incorporates everything that I'm showing you today. So let's look closer at some of these items. Here we go. Here are those 3 little pups on a slimline card, which is so fun. Oh, here's a cute little one. Now this one, it is folded size, my loves. This one, you can use the hidden hinges dies to make that door open and close. You can barely see it because it's hidden. You can barely see that hinge, but look at that. Perfect, right? Also, Michelle made this one so it could also be a stand-up. And there we go. Well, maybe. It's a stand-up though. It could also be a stand-up. Isn't that cute? I love it. Here we go. Postage stamp. Postage stamp. It's fun. Postage stamp, regular stamps. Don't you just love it? I love that air horn, you guys. I just think it's so funny. He's like, rrr. I love it. Here's another one. Look how cute these guys are. And I just want, oh, look how pretty that window is on the back. Isn't that awesome? And that's just our confetti background. Isn't that cute? Now, I just want you to see how differently you can do all of these fun little puppies. Aren't they awesome? So many different options on these little guys, right? Now, here we go. Here's another doghouse. Love it. Here's another little doghouse. This is the original version when that bone was already cut out. But then I said, hey, I want you to have more options. So the design team got the old version. Here's another one. Look at this, you guys. So many different ways you could do this, right? I love this. I would add, when they got this one, they didn't have the grass yet, but you could even add grass at the bottom. Wouldn't that be so fun? Then let's look at some of that grass. Oh, happy Easter. We just released this one, right? Here we go. Here's our new grass dyes at the bottom. Hey, bunny. So cute. And then last but not least, here is another dog house. So fun. Now, does this have to be a dog house? No. It could be a house for the gnomes. It could be a house for the puffins. It could be a house for anybody, right? That's another reason why I took that bone off. Because what if you didn't want it to be a dog house? What if you wanted it to be some kind of other house, right? I got you covered. Okay, my loves, go check out the website, stampsoflife.com. The first 24 hours, these items are on the website. They're on flash sale. So get them while the getting's good. I've never said that before. Okay, have a great day. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.